According to the National Electrical Code, multi-wire branch circuits must have all ungrounded conductors on the same circuit breaker or fuse. This requirement is in place to prevent the possibility of a fault in one conductor from causing a fire. In the scenario described, the multi-wire circuits are not handle-tied because the circuits are on alternate breakers, which would not allow for the installation of handle ties. This configuration is a violation of the National Electrical Code. The consequences of not handle-tying multi-wire circuits include an increased risk of fire and potential circuit breaker tripping issues. Firstly, if a fault occurs in one conductor of the multi-wire circuit, the other conductor could remain energized, creating a fire hazard. Secondly, if a fault occurs in one conductor of the multi-wire circuit, the circuit breaker may not trip, leaving the other conductor energized, which could result in an electrical shock or a fire hazard. The solution to this problem involves using a larger panel that can accommodate all of the circuits without relying on multi-wire branch circuits. This approach would allow for the proper handle tying of all multi-wire circuits. It is important to note that the use of multi-wire circuits is generally discouraged in residential construction. The use of arc-fault circuit interrupter breakers is required in bedrooms and other areas where there is a risk of electrical fire. In the specific case of installing a 5-ton air conditioning unit, the minimum circuit capacity is 35 amps. Therefore, a 40 amp breaker and number 8 wire were appropriate for the installation.